Presenting 180G sleek and colorful LG Velvet, which shines to create the illusion of velvet. It is water and dust resistant. This smartphone is available in Aurora silver color. This smartphone is loaded with 6GB RAM plus 128GB storage and is expandable up to 2TB that allows for seamless multitasking. It has dual SIM option, so you can carry a single phone instead of two. It comes with 6.8 inches cinematic P-OLED FHD widescreen featuring 20.5:9 ratio that movies are made to be viewed in. It is a true color expression with stereo speakers for a fully immersive experience. It also comes with fingerprint sensor. This smartphone comes with inspired linear triple camera. It is an ergonomic design with 48-megapixel ultra-high-resolution 120 degrees wide and 79 degrees standard rear cameras and 16-megapixel front camera. This captures brighter, clearer photos even in low light with pixel binning technology. It comes with Android 10.0 octa-core Snapdragon 845 with 10nm processor. This LG Velvet phone makes downloading, gaming as well as browsing very smooth. MIL-STD810G tested amplifier always works for exposure to extreme temperatures. This smartphone has 4300 mAh large battery with 25 watts fast charger and Type-C connectivity. Wireless charging frees you from messy cables. The box includes LG Velvet smartphone, power adapter, data cable, user guide, warranty card and SIM ejector. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.